In today's data-driven world, the ability to predict the future is a powerful tool. With the vast amounts of data generated every second, harnessing this information to foresee trends and outcomes has become more crucial than ever. Regression algorithms provide this power by uncovering hidden relationships within data. These sophisticated tools sift through mountains of information to find patterns that aren't immediately obvious. These algorithms allow us to make informed decisions based on past trends and patterns. By analyzing historical data, we can predict future events with a higher degree of accuracy. Imagine predicting stock prices, forecasting sales, or even estimating a patient's blood pressure based on their medical history. The applications are endless and span across various industries. Regression algorithms are the engines behind these predictions. They take complex data sets and transform them into actionable insights. They empower us to move beyond simple guesswork and into the realm of data-driven insights. This shift from intuition to data-backed decisions is revolutionizing how we approach problems. By understanding the principles behind these algorithms, we can unlock a world of possibilities in various fields. From healthcare to finance, the potential is vast. Whether you're a business analyst, a scientist, or simply curious about the power of data, understanding regression is an invaluable asset. It equips you with the knowledge to interpret data and make predictions that can drive success. In this exploration of regression algorithms, we'll delve into one of the most fundamental and widely used techniques, linear regression. This method is the cornerstone of predictive analytics. By understanding its simplicity and versatility, you'll gain a solid foundation in the world of predictive modeling. Linear regression is not just a tool, it's a gateway to more advanced analytical techniques. So let's embark on this journey to unravel the secrets of linear regression and harness its power to make informed predictions about the future. Together, we'll explore how this technique can transform data into foresight, guiding us to better decisions and outcomes. Linear regression is a powerful yet straightforward algorithm used for predicting a continuous outcome based on historical data. Imagine trying to predict a house's price based on its size. Linear regression assumes a linear relationship between these variables. As the size increases, the price tends to increase proportionally. We can represent this relationship mathematically using the equation of a straight line y equals mx plus b. In this equation, y represents the predicted value, house price, x is the input variable house size, m is the slope of the line, how much the price changes for each unit increase in size, and b is the y-intercept, the price when the size is 0. Linear regression aims to find the best fitting straight line through the data points, representing the relationship between the input and output variables. This line allows us to make predictions for new data points. Given a house size, we can estimate its price based on the line's equation. Before diving into the intricacies of linear regression, we need data, the lifeblood of any predictive model. Without data, our models are just theoretical constructs with no real-world application. The quality and relevance of our data directly impact the accuracy of our predictions. High-quality data ensures that our model can make reliable and valid predictions. Let's imagine we're trying to predict a student's exam score based on their study hours. This is a common scenario in educational research and helps us understand the practical application of linear regression. Our data set would consist of two key pieces of information: the number of hours studied, which is our input variable, and the corresponding exam scores, which is our output variable. These variables are essential for building our predictive model. We'd collect this data from multiple students, forming a collection of data points. The more data points we have, the more robust our model will be. Once we have our data, visualization is crucial. Visualizing data helps us to see patterns and relationships that might not be obvious from raw data alone. By plotting the data points on a graph, we can visually inspect the relationship between the variables. This step is essential for understanding the nature of the data. In our example, we'd plot study hours on the x-axis and exam scores on the y-axis. This helps us to see if there is a trend or pattern in the data. This visual representation provides valuable insights. It allows us to see if there is a linear relationship between study hours and exam scores. Do the points seem to cluster around a straight line, suggesting a linear relationship? This is a key question in determining the suitability of linear regression. Or do they follow a different pattern? Identifying the correct pattern is crucial for selecting the right model. This initial exploration guides us in choosing the appropriate model for our data. It sets the stage for more advanced analysis and ensures that our predictions are based on solid foundations. And now comes the heart of linear regression, finding the best fitting straight line through our data points. This is crucial because the accuracy of our predictions hinges on how well this line represents the data. This line, represented by the equation y equals mx plus b, should capture the general trend of the data, allowing us to make accurate predictions. The m stands for the slope, which indicates the steepness of the line, while b is the y-intercept, showing where the line crosses the y-axis. But how do we determine the optimal values for m, the slope, and b, the y-intercept, that define this line? This is where the concept of error minimization comes into play. The answer lies in minimizing errors. Errors, or residuals, are the differences between the actual data points and the values predicted by our line. The line should be as close as possible to all data points, minimizing the distance between the predicted values on the line and the actual values, our data points. This ensures that our predictions are as accurate as possible. This distance between a data point and the line is called a residual or error. Residuals can be positive or negative, depending on whether the data point is above or below the line. Linear regression aims to minimize the sum of the squared errors. Squaring the errors ensures that larger errors have a bigger impact on the total error, and it also prevents positive and negative errors from cancelling each other out. Squaring the errors ensures that positive and negative errors don't cancel each other out, giving equal importance to all deviations from the line. This method of error minimization is known as the least squares method. By minimizing these squared errors, we find the line that best fits the data, capturing the underlying relationship between the variables. This best fit line is what allows us to make reliable predictions based on our data. This process involves complex mathematical calculations, but thankfully, software packages like Python's scikit-learn library handle the heavy lifting for us. These tools make it easier to apply linear regression to real-world data, enabling us to focus on interpreting the results and making informed decisions.